Alright, so I just finished jetting the sewer line. I'm in the pipe 149 feet 4 inches. We're looking at the city main. And I'm going to start pulling the camera back. There's no need to get the pipe spotless. It's a sewer pipe. Doesn't need to look shiny new. It just has to be open to its normal diameter. Flushing the toilet. We'll push the rest of this stuff through. Yeah, the pipe sits level and is backfished in a couple areas. So it doesn't want to flow perfect, but she's draining and it's back open to its normal diameter. So basically, I'm pulling the camera back. And what you don't want to see in a pipe like this is a spot that might look like the 4-inch pipe is maybe closed up, or giant barnacles hanging off, choking off the pipe, things like that. But the majority of the iron scale is cleaned off of the pipe walls. It's back to 4-inch diameter again. So for a really old cast iron, I'd say this looks good. I'm happy with it. Here's our sewer trap again. Now I'm going to fish it in the building side of the trap. Side is also back open to its normal diameter. The lens is a bit cloudy because we're in a sewer pipe. You know, things get on the lens sometimes. Hopefully that fixes itself. Alright, so this is the 90 to the toilet. My camera doesn't want to go up that again, because this is a bigger camera this time. But I'm going to go flush the toilet really fast to try to clean off my lens. Just like that, clean my camera off. Start pulling it back. Yep, we're back open to a 4-inch diameter. I don't see any major scale left over. It's looking good. Clog is gone. There's our trap again, that's all she wrote.